Good morning to all. Today I will discuss about chapter 5 admission of a partner. Chapter 5 admission of a partner. Today I will discuss introduction, adjustments required at the time of admission of a partner, distribution of accumulated profits, reserves and losses. So introduction, a person may join as a new partner in the exceeding partnership firm. This is called admission of a partner. Say the purpose of admission of a new partner may be raised additional capital. Raised means increasing additional capital for expansion of business or managerial skill of new partner, or both means old partners also. Generally, the new partner has to be contributed capital to the firm. Firm means company, and there be he or she acquires the right to share the future profit and the assets of the business concern or company. Next one, definition. According to section 31(1) of the Indian Partnership Act 1932, subject to contract between the partners, no person shall be introduced as a partner. Introduced as a partner means introduced a new partner, admission of a partner into a firm. Firm means company, without the consent of all the exceeding partnership. Exceeding means old partners also. Next one, adjustments required at the time of admission of a partner. On admission of the new partner, may be bring capital in cash or kind in, or both. Both means this cash or bank also. The following journal entries passed to record the capital bought or purchased in cash or bank account debtor to cash or bank account debtor, all asset account debtor to partners capital account credit. Next one, the following adjustments the necessary at the time of admission of a partner. First one, distribution of accumulated profit, reserve and losses. Second one, revaluation of assets and liabilities. Third one, determination of new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio or gaining ratio. Adjustments for goodwill. Fifth one, adjustment of capital on the basis of new profit sharing ratio. First one, distribution of first steps, distribution of accumulated profit, reserves and losses. So meaning profit and losses of previous year which are not distributed. Distributed means sharing the partners. Distributed to the partners are called accumulated profit or losses. Any reserves and accumulated profit and losses belong to the old partners, and hence these should be distributed to the old partners in the old profit sharing ratio. Reserve include general reserve or reserve fund, workman compensation fund also distribution to the old partners in the old profit sharing ratio. The following are the journal entries to be passed. A, for transferred accumulated profit and reserve means profit and losses appropriation account debtor, general reserve account debtor, reserve fund or workman compensation fund, general reserve account debtor, investment fluctuation fund account debtor to any old partners capital account credit. B, for transferring accumulated loss. Accumulated loss means old partners capital account debtor to profit or loss appropriation account credit. For transferring accumulated loss means old partners capital account debtor to profit or loss account credit. Sum number 1. Arul and Anita are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 4:3. On 31/3/2018, Ajay was admitted as a partner. Ajay is a new partner. On the date of admission, the book of the firm showed a general reserve of rupees 42,000. Pass the journal entry to distribute the general reserve. So only general reserve journal entry, heading journal entry, particulars, debit rupees and credit rupees. Only general reserve means only profit or loss account only recorded in credit side. Opening for profit or loss account means profit or loss account debit side and credit side. General reserve is recorded only in credit side only. Credit opposite debit side, general reserve account debtor to. So old partners capital. This some old partners for Arul and Anita is a old partner. New partner Ajay. General reserve. So expenses, all expenses and losses are debit aspect. General reserve account debtor to old partner Arul and Anita. Arul to Arul's capital account credit to Anita's capital account credit. Only general reserve value rupees 42,000. Distribute for old partners in the old profit sharing ratio. 42,000 into ratio 4:3 ratio. Ratio for 4:3. 42,000 into 4/7. 7 means 4 plus 3, 7 to Arul capital. 42,000 into 4/7 rupees 24,000. 42,000 into second partner sharing value 3 divided by 7 means 4 plus 3, 7. 3/7, Anita's capital 18,000 rupees. So narration, general reserve transfer to old partners capital account in the old profit sharing ratio. Next sum, second sum. Anjali and Nitya are partner of a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 5:3. The admit of Pramila on 1/1/2018. Pramila as a new partner. On the date their balance sheet showed accumulated loss of rupees 40,000 on the asset side of the balance sheet. Give the journal entry to transfer the accumulated loss on admission. So only accumulated loss means profit or loss account. Same journal entry, accumulated loss kind of format. For transferring accumulated loss means old partners capital account debtor to profit or loss account credit. Same this some old partners for Anjali and Nitya's is a old partner, new partner Pramila. So Anjali's capital account debtor to Nitya's capital account debtor to profit or loss account credit. Profit or loss value rupees 40,000 rupees. Dividing for two partners, sharing for old, distribution for old partners to old sacrificing ratio. 40,000 into 5/8. 40,000 into 5/8 first partner. Second partner 40,000 into 3/8. 8 means 5 plus 3, 8. Same 40,000 into 5, 25,000. 40,000 into 3/8, 15,000 rupees. Same profit or loss, accumulated loss means 40,000 rupees. So profit or loss recorded in profit or loss account means the debit side. Debit opposite credit for profit or loss account. So debit side to old partners capital account. Anjali's and Nitya's old partner to profit or loss account credit 40,000 rupees. Narration, accumulated loss transfer to old partners capital account in the old profit sharing ratio. Accumulated loss transfer to old partners capital account in the old profit sharing ratio. Next is sum number 3. Ovia and Kavya are partner in a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 5:3. They admit Ahalya into the partnership. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2019 is a follow. Liabilities rupees, asset rupees, capital account Ovia and Kavya. Ovia value 50,000, Kavya value 40,000, total 90,000 rupees. Profit and loss appropriation account 40,000, general reserve 8,000, workman compensation fund 12,000, sundry creditors 20,000 rupees. For liability side 1,50,000. Buildings 40,000, plant 50,000, furniture 30,000, debitors 20,000, stock 10,000, cash 20,000, total 1,50,000 rupees. Pass journal entry to transfer the accumulated profit and reserve on admission. So format for transferring accumulated profit and losses ke profit or loss appropriation account debtor, general reserve account debtor, reserve fund account debtor, workman compensation fund account debtor to old partners capital account credit. Same this sum. All expenses for 3 expenses, profit or loss appropriation, general reserve, workman compensation fund is also expenses. All expenses and losses is a debit aspect. Profit or loss appropriation account 40,000, general reserve account 8,000, workman compensation fund 12,000 rupees. Total 60,000 to old partners capital account. Kavya and Ovia as old partner 60,000. Total 40, 48, 60. 60,000 into ratio 5:3 ratio. So 5:3 ratio. Say 60,000 into 5 by 8. 60,000 into 3 by 8. Same Ovia's capital value 37,500. Kavya's capital value 22,500 rupees. Accumulated profit and a reserve transfer to old partners account in the old profit sharing ratio. Next adjustment, revaluation of assets and liabilities. When a partner is admin join the new partner into the partnership, the assets and liabilities are revalued, change the value, as a current value may differ from the book value. Determination of current value of asset and liabilities is called revaluation of assets and liabilities. The reason for revaluation of asset and liabilities as follow. 2 reasons. First one, to give a true and fair view of statement of affairs of balance sheet of the company of shareholder. 2, to share the gain. Gain means profit arising, increasing from the revaluation of asset and liabilities. It is due to the old partner and old sacrificing ratio, distribution of old ratio and old partners capital account. Next one, there are 2 ways. First one, revised value of asset and liabilities are shown in the books. Second way, revised value of asset and liability are not shown in the book value. Next to format revaluation account. So debit side and credit side, particulars rupees and particulars rupees. Debit side, concerned asset account debtor. Concerned asset account means asset value decrease. Asset value, debit side for decrease value. Asset decrease ka another name depreciated. Depreciated. Decrease ka another name depreciated write off. Depreciated write off. Credit side, by concerned asset, increasing asset. Increasing ka another name appreciated. Increasing another name appreciated recorded provide. Increasing another name appreciated recorded provide. To concerned liability, liability increase. Credit side, by concerned liability decrease. Same debit side, old partners capital account for profit on revaluation sharing in the credit side total increase, debit side total decrease means so old partners capital account profit on revaluation account sharing for old ratio. Same debit side increase, credit side total decrease means by old partners capital account loss on revaluation shared in the old ratio or distribution for old partner sacrificing ratio. Next sum number 4. Hari and Madhavan and Keshavan are partner sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 5:3:2. As from 1st April 2017, Vanmadi is admitted into the partnership and the new profit sharing ratio is deducted as 4:3:2:1. The following adjustment are to be made. First one, increase the value of premises. Premises is a asset. Premises value rupees 60,000. Depreciated stock to 50,000. Stock 5,000. Furniture 2,000. Machinery 2,500. C. Provide for outstanding liabilities rupees 500. Pass journal entry and prepare revaluation account. So heading revaluation account, debit side and credit side, particulars rupees and particulars rupees. First adjustment, increasing the value of premises by 60,000. Same format, asset decrease, asset increase, liability increase, liability decrease is a format. Asset decrease value, asset increase value credit side, liability increase value debit side, liability decrease value. So A adjustment, increase the value of premises. Premises is a asset. Asset value increase. Increasing means for credit side by premises value 60,000 rupees. First adjustment over. Second adjustment, depreciated. Depreciated means decrease. Stock is asset, furniture is asset, machinery is asset. Stock decreasing means debit side. Stock decreasing means debit side, increasing means credit side. Liability increasing means debit side, liability decreasing means credit side. First adjustment, asset increase. Second adjustment, liability asset decrease. To stock 5,000, to furniture 2,000 and machinery 2,500. Second adjustment over. Third adjustment, provide. Provide means increase for outstanding liability. So liability increase. Same liability increasing means so debit side. To outstanding liability 500 rupees. Okay. So credit side total 60,000. Debit side total 3,000 for 10,000 rupees. 60 minus 10 total 50,000 rupees. Same revaluation profit transfer to old partners capital account for 3 partners Hari, Madhavan and Keshavan. 50 ratio 5:3:2 ratio. Okay, 3 partners 5:3:2 ratio. Same 50,000 into 5 by 10. 10 means 5 plus 3 plus 2. 8 plus 2 10. 5 by 10. 50,000 into 3 by 10. 50,000 into 2 by 10. 25,000, 15,000, 10,000. Total 50,000 rupees. Same journal entry. So credit side. First journal entry. Premises entry. Premises is recorded in credit side. Revaluation account premises is recorded in credit side means journal entry opposite side. Premises is recorded in credit side. Opposite side debit side. So premises account debtor to revaluation account credit rupees 60,000 rupees. Narration, premises increase. Appreciated. Appreciation means increase. Increasing in the value of premises recorded. Second one, stock, furniture, machinery is outstanding liabilities is recorded in debit side. Debit opposite credit. Same credit side to stock account credit, to furniture account credit, to machinery account credit, to outstanding liabilities account credit. Same debit side revaluation account debtor. Revaluation account debtor to stock account credit, to furniture account credit, to machinery account credit, to outstanding liabilities account credit. Total 10,000 rupees. Narration, decreasing in asset recorded and outstanding liabilities made. Third one, profit. Only profit for the debit side. Debit opposite credit. Credit side debit side revaluation account debtor to debit opposite credit for old partners. Hari's capital account credit to Madhavan capital account credit to Keshavan capital account credit. Hari's today profit 25,000. Madhavan profit 15,000. Keshavan profit 10,000 rupees. Total revaluation 50,000 rupees. Profit on revaluation transferred. Sum number 5. Sinu and Siva are partner sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 5:3. In the view of Kausalya admission the desired A. To increase the value of building by 40,000, to bring into record investment at 10,000 which have not so far been bartered into account. To increase the value of machinery by 14,000 and furniture 12,000. Write off sundry creditors by 16,000 rupees. Pass journal entry and prepare revaluation account. So, heading revaluation account. Particulars rupees and particulars rupees. First adjustment, same format. So, debit side and credit side. Asset decrease, liability increase. Asset increase, liability decrease. First adjustment, to increase the value of building. Building is a asset. Asset increasing means for debit credit side, same credit side and debit side. Credit side, first adjustment, to increasing the value of building 40,000. Building means asset. Asset value increase 40,000 rupees. Second one, to bring into record. Record another name increase. Record another name increase investment. Investment is a asset. Asset increasing 10,000 rupees. Same by investment 10,000. Third adjustment, to decrease. Decreasing means decreasing the value of machinery and furniture. Asset decrease. Asset decreasing means for format for debit side, to machinery 14,000, to furniture 12,000 rupees. To write off means decrease. Sundry creditors is a liability. Liability decreasing means credit side by sundry creditors value 16,000 rupees. Total 50, 40 plus 10, 50, 50 plus 16, 66,000. Same debit side 66,000. 66,000 minus 26,000. Balance 40,000. To profit on revaluation transfer to old partners capital account. This sum old partners for Sinu and Siva. Sinu's capital account and Siva's capital account. 40,000 into 40,000 into 5 by 8 and 40,000 into 3 by 8. 8 means 5 plus 3, 8. Next journal entry. Same debit side only recorded in credit side and debit side. So recorded in debit credit side means journal entry opposite side. Buildings, investment and sundry creditors recorded in credit side. Credit opposite debit. Building account debtor, investment account debtor, sundry creditors account debtor to revaluation account. Building value 40,000, investment value 10,000 and sundry creditors value 16,000. Total revaluation account 66,000. Narration, increasing in the value of buildings, unrecorded investment and sundry creditors write off. Next one, so machinery and furniture recorded in debit side. Debit opposite credit. Credit la to machinery account credit, to furniture account credit. Debit side only revaluation account debtor. Revaluation account debtor to machinery account credit and furniture account credit. Machinery value 14,000, furniture value 12,000, total 26,000. To reduction in the value of machinery and furniture recorded. Third one, profit for debit side. Debit opposite credit. Debit side revaluation account debtor to Sinu's capital account credit to Siva's capital account credit. Sinu's capital 25,000, Siva's capital 15,000. Total 40,000 revaluation value. So narration, profit on revaluation transferred. Same next adjustment. First sum, Rajesh and Ramesh are partner sharing profit in the ratio of 3:2. Raman is admitted as a new partner and the new profit sharing ratio is desired as 5:3:2. The following revelation are made: pause journal entries and prepare revelation account. A. The value of building is increased by 15,000. The value of machinery is decreased by 4,000. The provision for doubtful debits is made for 10,000 rupees. Sum number 2. Mala and Vimala were partners, sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2 on 31/3/2017. Varsini was admitted as a partner. On the date of admission, the book of the firm showed a reserve fund of rupees 50,000. Pass the journal entry to distribution the reserve fund. Thank you for all.